Good day friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and now in this lecture I will explain half adder and full adder, which is also a part of combination circuit, or we can say a type of combination circuit. So here half adder and full adder I will be explained in this lecture. First of all, I will explain the half adder. Half adder is that where 2-bit addition is performed. Only 2-bit addition is performed in a half adder. So this is a half adder and 2-bit are A and B. Now in a addition we get two things. One is sum and other is carry. So we write it here, sum and carry. Now 2-bit truth table is there. When we talk about designing a combination circuit, in previous lecture I have explained you that how to design a combination circuit. Here I have explained you that determine the total number of input and total number of output. So here 2-bit addition, total number of input is 2, A and B, and output is 2. One is sum and another is carry. So I can write here, this is input and this is output. Now for 2-bit, 4 possible combination can be there: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So sum is 0 0 0, sum is 0 and carry is 0. 0 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 0, sum is 0, carry is 0. Sum is 1, carry is 0. So 1 1, 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. So sum is 0, carry is 1. We have right here. Now in a designing of the combination circuit, you can check the Boolean equation using K-map. So we will make a K-map for sum and carry. So here we make the K-map for sum. Sum K-map will be A and AB. So 2 variable K-map is there, A, B. So here 0 1, 0 1, B bar B, A bar A. So 0 0, 0 0 0 and 0, A bar 0, B is 1. That is sum is 1. I have written here 1. Then A is 1 and B is 0. A is 1, B is 0. Sum is 0. Sum is 1. So we have written 1. Now B is 1, B is 1. That is 0. So we have written 0. So when we have explained or we have solved this K-map, we get the equation A bar B plus AB bar. You know that how can we write the equation from K-map now? So that is A plus B. This is a equation of XOR. You can check. This is the expression of XOR. So A XOR B. Now we will write the K-map for carry. So here carry will be like A 0 0, carry is 0. A 0, K B1, A 0, K B1, carry is 0. Now A1, B0, carry is 0, and A1 is carry 1. So only 1 is there, so we will write AB. So now we will make a circuit diagram. How can we make the circuit diagram? A, B, 2 inputs are there. Now when we go through the XOR, we get sum. Okay, now for carry, only A and B going through the AND gate. So this is carry. So this is we design the half adder. So this is how can we design the half adder. Now we will talk about the full adder, and your any confusion can be clear from there. So for full adder can be done by 3-bit addition. Okay, now 3-bit addition, in a 3-bit 8 possible combination can be there: 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. This is our 8 possible condition can be there for 3-bit. Now the outputs are 2 in 3 inputs and 2 outputs. One is sum, another is carry. Now we will write the equation: 0 0 0, sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, carry 0. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, carry 0. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. Now 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, carry 0. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. 0 plus 0, carry 0. Now 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. 0 plus 1 1. So this is our answer. Now we will do the K-map. Another option is another step is K-map. So we will make the K-map for sum. So this is a 3-bit. So we will make a 3-bit K-map, that is A and B, C. 0, 1 and 4 possible conditions: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have two options. You can write from 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Or you can check only one. You can check only one position here. So this is one position, or only one position are sum. So this is one position. This is two position. This is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 position, and this is 7 position. You can also write here, and you can also write like 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0 is 0. You can also write like this, but the same thing happen. 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 is 1. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0 is 1. Now 0, 1, 1 is 0. And 1, 0, 0 is 1. 1, 0, 1 is 0. 1, 1, 0, 0. And 1, 1, 1 is 1. You can write also like this. Now, in a K-map, we always take only ones. So, the grouping, these are not grouping by each other. So, these are 4 possible combinations. So, we will write the equation like A bar, B bar, C for this, plus A bar, B, C bar for this. Now this A, B bar, C bar plus A, B, C. So if you take, you can solve this also. If you take A bar common from this, you check B bar C plus B, C bar plus A common, B bar, C bar plus B, C. So you can check, this is a XOR and this is XNOR expression. So you can write A bar, B XOR C plus A, B XNOR. See, this is a symbol of XNOR and this is a symbol of XOR. So XNOR can be the equal to XOR bar. I have explained how we can do that. So we can write this A bar, B plus C plus A, B plus C, like this. A XOR ka bar, B plus C bar. Now you can check if you write, you can check if you write B plus C XOR to X. Okay, to X. So A bar X plus A X bar. You can check. So it can also be the A XOR X. You can also check A XOR X. So XOR is B X bar C. So it can be A XOR B XOR C. It can also be this. Okay. Now we will write the K-map for carry. K-map for carry. So carry will be like, it is also 3 variable: A, B, C, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So you can check only ones here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can check only ones here. So check 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 is 0, sorry, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you can write it like this. So the combination will be there. The combination will be like this, this and this. Three combinations are there. So the equation sum will be like this, sum is this, and carry like this. From this only BC remains. From here to here A and C, plus from here to here you can check only A and B. Is there any changes? BC, AB, AC. Yes. Okay. You can check this. You can check this BC, AC and AB. Now, if we make a circuit diagram for full adder, how can we make that? You should check. You can see A, B and C. 3 input variable with XOR. This will be the sum A XOR B XOR C. Now this will be, carry will be and B and C. B, C and A and C. C can be taken from here, C and A. Like AND gate. Now third is A and B. A can be taken from here because we have taken this for our, and this will be this. Okay. Now we can write BC here, AC here and AB here. All are given to AND gate. Now these all are given to OR gate. So OR gate is like this. So all input is given to OR gate. Now this will be your carry. So this is a full adder diagram. Full adder circuit diagram. So I hope it is clear now. How can we make the half adder and full adder? If you have any query regarding this session, please comment me in a comment box. I will explain how can we design this. I can explain again. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Good day and subscribe my channel.